A couple years ago, we put out a survey to everybody that follows Earlywood, and we asked them what their most requested item would be, what they wanted us to make next, and it was about 70% wooden bowls. So we went and made wooden bowls. These are made out of hard maple, which is one of the 4 woods we use. They're all hard maple. We've got 4 different sizes. We've got a 5-inch, a 6-inch, an 11-inch, and a 14-inch. You can buy them individually, or you can buy them in a full set. We've got the smallest one, which is the 5-inch, which is great for just putting some toppings in, eating some nuts out of that thing. They're perfect for baby food, for feeding a baby. And then we've got the 6-inch, just a little bit bigger. This one's kind of adult-sized, or even toddler-sized, big toddler that is. You know, you can put a serving of salad in this, you can put some ice cream in here, you can serve some salsa or chips or whatever you want with this thing. Just kind of a nice all-around size, about 6 inches across the top. And then we've got the 11, which is this guy right here, even bigger. This thing's good for maybe 3-4 person salad, popcorn, something like that. Any kind of big side that you're serving up for a bunch of people. Of course, you can always just set it on the counter and store your fruit in it. And then we've got the big boy right here, which is the 14-incher. And this thing's kind of a beast. We keep one on our table at all times and just have it full of something that just looks sweet. And whenever we're having people over, kids over, watching a movie, fill this baby with popcorn and whatnot. So it's kind of a great all-purpose big bowl. You can put enough salad in here to probably feed 6 people, maybe even 8. So it's got a lot of capacity, and that thing is 14 inches across. So it's the big one. So you can buy these individual, or you can get them in a set of all 4. There's all kinds of other uses for them, of course, but you know, they're bowls. I'm sure you've used a bowl before, so I think you can figure it out.